Parents use this on their babies' noses. Yep, and before you freak out, let me show you why this weird little tube is actually a lifesaver. This is the Frida baby NoseFrida, also known as the snot sucker. And yes, it does exactly what you think it does. But don't worry, nothing gets in the parent's mouth. Here's how it works. One end goes gently at the opening of the baby's nostril, not inside, and the other end is the mouthpiece. You create the suction, and the mucus gets pulled into this chamber. The filter blocks everything, so it's clean, safe, and honestly, way more effective than those little bulb syringes. Why do parents swear by it? Because when babies are congested, they can't blow their nose. This helps them breathe easier, sleep better, and feed without struggling. And the filters are disposable, so cleanup is quick. So yeah, it looks wild, it sounds wild, but it works. If you've got a stuffy baby or you're building a baby registry, this is one of those weird but genius tools you'll be glad to have.